How to use ChatGPT without account. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you want to use ChatGPT without your account, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open any web browser. Here I will open Google Chrome. Now on top of your screen you will find this search bar. So tap on it and then search for ChatGPT. So type chat.openai.com. And once you are into ChatGPT, what you need to do is log out of ChatGPT. So to do this, on top left hand side of your screen, you will find these two horizontal lines. So tap on it and then you will see this pop up. So here on bottom of your screen, you will find your name. So tap on it and then simply log out. So after you log out, you will see this kind of pop up, welcome back. So here you will find three different options, login, sign up and stay logged out. So simply tap on very last option, stay logged out. And as soon as you do that, you can now simply chat with ChatGPT without any account. So type whatever you want and go with it. So this is how you can use ChatGPT without account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.